Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing La Quinta by Wyndham Greensboro, North Carolina. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located at Interstate Highway 40 exit 73, this Greensboro property offers free Wi-Fi, a daily breakfast, and a fitness center. Greensboro Science Center is 9.1 miles away. The outdoor pool is currently closed due to renovations. A free airport shuttle to Piedmont Triad International Airport, 8.3 miles, is available daily upon request. A business center and self-service laundry facilities are on site. The University of North Carolina at Greensboro is 12 minutes drive from La Quinta Inn Suites Greensboro, while the Bog Garden Botanical Park is 8.3 miles away. Guests can also drive 8 minutes to the Greensboro Coliseum Complex. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.